Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Libby, and today I'm trying out some dip powder from Double Dip Nails. So before you do anything else, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, and I'm gonna jump right on in. So I use these tips that I got from Amazon. They're, they're decent tips. I'll put them in the description box if you're interested. But I wanted to do some short nails because right now I'm braiding my daughter's hair, braiding my hair. It just is easier. So this kit that came from Double Dip Nails, it came with the brush. It also came with this holographic bag. You actually can receive one for free if you use the link in my description box or if you make a purchase and use the promo code MILAB. So y'all know I'm always going to give you the real. So this is my first time trying this kit, and I'm not going to put nothing out there that I do not like. So the kit was amazing. It came with everything I needed. It came with instructions. It came with the 3 powders. It came with nail file, buffer, extra brushes, all of the liquids that you may need. The first color was Atomic Orange. The second color was 90s Baby. And the last color was Go Getter. So this time I tried to do better than I did in my last video. So guys, this went way smoother. One, I do just believe the quality of the products was better. This was more finely ground, and the last dip powder that I ever used was some little cheap one, and it was real gritty. And I just think this was really fine, and it just made the application process much better. And also, what else I liked about this kit was it didn't take forever to dry because I'm extremely impatient. So I went ahead and I did each nail so that way I could try to pace myself a little bit. But I didn't have as many of those lines because I didn't allow the base to dry in time or whatever. So this just really was a much better application from the jump. So I just kept working my way closer to the cuticle with each dip. Now, because this powder is so fine, I did have to do 4 coats instead of 3, but I was fine with that because it was just a much better situation, and I feel like my nails came out so much better this time than the last time when I tried dip nails. Now, one tip I can offer is I'm very heavy handed, like maybe not go as heavy on the base coat before you dip it because it also helped too. So just kind of, less is more type situation. But while you're watching me finish my nails, I do want to tell you guys that I have a coupon code for 25% off if you decide to purchase this kit. The code is MILAB. I'll also put that in the description box, as well as you will receive a free holographic bag with your purchase. They also have a Facebook group that they do giveaways in weekly. I think the giveaways are like $100 a week and like prizes and all kind of other stuff. So if you're into nails or you're trying to get into nails, it's a really good group that I would join. It's called the Secret Beauty Circle. I'll also put the link to that inside of my description box as well. So right now you are watching me finish up my nails. I applied the activator 3 times because I'd rather be safe than sorry. And then I filed, shaped, and buffed my nails off camera. And then I applied their top gel and these little cuticle crystals that I got from Amazon. But y'all, overall, I would give this kit, out of all the kits I've tried, it's definitely number 1. So y'all know I don't promote anything I don't like. So just check it out and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. MILAB out.